Meaning of Elia Kazan.
Elia Kazan.
Elia Kazan.
Elia Kazan.
Elia Kazan. Elia Kazan was a Greek-American film and theater director, producer, and writer who rose to prominence in the 1940s and 1950s. He directed numerous acclaimed films, such as On the Waterfront and A Streetcar Named Desire, and was known for his realistic approach to storytelling and his ability to draw powerful performances from his actors. However, Kazan was also a controversial figure due to his decision to testify before the House Un-American Activities Committee during the Red Scare, which resulted in him being blacklisted by many in the entertainment industry.